Hi, my name is Joel Matthew UR15CS177. I'm a student of Kanya University in the Department of CSE, and today I'm going to be explaining my second experiment from C++ lab. So the question given to me is that I have to write a program that uses structure to store three parts of a phone number, which are area code, exchange, and the number separately, and we have to call the structure phone, and we have to create two structure variables of type phone. One has to be initialized in the program and one has to take the input from the user, and we have to display both the numbers. So first we have the header file iostream, and using namespace std we have created a structure data type phone, and in that I have declared three variables: area, exchange, and number. And in the main function I have initialized two variables of type phone, p1 and p2. So in using p1 object I have initialized the value of area, exchange, and number, and in this statement I have asked the user to enter the your value of code, exchange, and number, and we have inputted the values using the object p2, and here we have displayed my number using the p1 object and the number entered by the user using the p2 object. So let's see how the program runs. So the user is asked the values of code, exchange, and number. So let's see what the output is, and this is the number which I initialized inside the program, and this is the number entered by the user. So the second program which I have to make is I have to create a structure named apartment, which takes in the value of the number of bedrooms and the number of bathrooms from the user, and using which we calculate we find out if there's any apartment of the desired dimensions which is actually available, and we also print the value of the monthly rent for the apartment. So first we declare apartment of structure data type, and in this we declare three variables: bedroom, bathroom, and rent. And in the int main function we have actually initialized an variable a of type apartment, and using while loop we ask the user to again and again enter the value of the desired apartments until he finds the desired apartment. So first the user is asked to enter the number of bedrooms and bathrooms needed. Using the object a we take in the values entered by the user, and using if else ladder we check the condition for the available apartments. So in first case we have bedroom 1 and bathroom 1, then the rent is initialized to 650, and so on. And if none of the apartments match, then the else condition is executed and rent is issued as 0. And then we display the values, and display the number of bedrooms and the number of bathrooms required by the user and the monthly rent. And if the rent is 0, then the requested apartment is not available, and then the user is asked if he wants to continue looking for an apartment, and if he does, then the while loop again and again executes all the statements. So let's see how the program runs. So the user is asked to enter the number of bedrooms and bathrooms, so 2 and 1, and as you can see the apartment is available. We have the number of bedrooms, the number of bathroom, and the monthly rent. So do you want to continue? Let's try it once again, and let's enter another value. So as you can see, this apartment is also available, and the number of bedrooms, bathrooms, and the monthly rent is also shown. and we do not want to continue again. Thank you for listening to my program.